Volkswagen vehicles are known for smart engineering and refined design. But what if some of their most interesting features are the ones almost no one talks about? Hidden deep inside many Volkswagen models are clever systems, secret functions, and unexpected capabilities that can completely change how you experience your car. Some of these features are designed for convenience, others for safety, and a few are so subtle that most owners drive for years without ever discovering them. From little-known driving tricks to built-in functions that feel almost futuristic, these are the kinds of features that make you stop and think, wait, my car can actually do that? In this video, we're going to uncover 12 unexpected Volkswagen features that will genuinely surprise you. And by the end, you might start looking at your Volkswagen in a completely different way. Feature number 12, the hidden convenience window control. Most Volkswagen owners use their key fob every day, but very few realize it can do much more than just lock and unlock the car. Hidden within your remote is a smart convenience feature that allows you to control all your windows from outside the vehicle without even stepping inside. By simply pressing and holding the unlock button, your Volkswagen can automatically roll down all the windows at once, instantly ventilating the cabin on a hot day before you even open the door. And it works the other way too. Hold the lock button and every window closes smoothly, helping you secure the car in seconds if you ever forget. It's a small detail, but once you start using it, it feels like something every car should have. One of those subtle Volkswagen features that quietly makes everyday driving just a little more effortless. Feature number 11, the fuel door emergency release you didn't know existed. Running out of fuel is already stressful, but imagine pulling up to a fuel station, pressing the fuel door, and it simply refuses to open. Most drivers assume it's a serious mechanical issue, but Volkswagen has quietly built in a hidden backup system that many owners never discover until they really need it. Inside the trunk, usually tucked behind a side panel near the fuel filler area, there's a manual emergency release mechanism designed specifically for situations like this. If the central locking system fails or the actuator stops working, this small lever or pull tab allows you to open the fuel door manually. No tools, no damage, and no expensive repair required on the spot. It's one of those thoughtful engineering details that reflects Volkswagen's attention to real-world problems. Because while most people will never use it, the moment you actually need it, this hidden feature can save you time, frustration, and even a costly visit to the workshop. Feature number 10, the auto hold brake assist that changes city driving. In stop-and-go traffic, constantly holding the brake pedal can become tiring, but Volkswagen has a subtle feature that quietly removes that stress entirely. It's called auto hold, and once you start using it, it completely changes how you drive in traffic. When activated, auto hold keeps the vehicle stationary after you come to a complete stop, even when you take your foot off the brake. Whether you're waiting at a red light, stuck on an incline, or inching forward in heavy traffic, the car holds itself in place until you press the accelerator again. No rolling back, no constant pedal pressure. What makes it even more impressive is how seamlessly it works in the background. There's no sudden movement, no awkward delay. It just feels natural, like the car understands exactly what you need. And for many drivers, especially in busy urban conditions, this becomes one of those features you didn't know you needed, until you can't imagine driving without it. Feature number 9, the adaptive lighting that turns with you. Driving at night can feel limiting, especially on dark roads where your headlights only show what's directly ahead. But in many Volkswagen models, there's a hidden lighting feature that quietly improves visibility in a way most drivers don't even notice at first. It's called adaptive or cornering lighting, and instead of keeping the headlights fixed in one direction, your Volkswagen actually adjusts the beam as you turn the steering wheel. As you enter a curve or make a turn, The headlights subtly follow your path, illuminating the road ahead rather than leaving parts of it in darkness. What makes this feature so impressive is how natural it feels. You're not distracted by it, but you benefit from it instantly. Corners become clearer, obstacles are easier to spot, and nighttime driving feels more controlled and confident. It's one of those advanced details that works quietly in the background, yet makes a noticeable difference every time you drive after dark. Feature number 8, the rain-sensing wipers that think for you. Most drivers are used to adjusting their wipers manually, slow, fast, or somewhere in between. But Volkswagen takes a smarter approach with a feature that reacts automatically to changing weather conditions. Equipped with a rain sensor usually mounted near the windshield, your VW can detect moisture on the glass and instantly activate the wipers without you touching a thing. But it doesn't just turn them on. It intelligently adjusts the speed based on how heavy the rain is, slowing down during light drizzle and speeding up when the rain gets intense. What makes this feature feel truly refined is how seamlessly it works in real time. You're no longer distracted by constantly adjusting settings while driving. The car simply handles it for you, keeping your visibility clear and your focus on the road. It's a small but powerful example of Volkswagen's smart engineering, turning something ordinary into something effortlessly automatic. Feature number 7, the side mirror reverse dip for perfect parking. Parallel parking can be tricky, especially when you're trying to avoid scratching your wheels on the curb. But Volkswagen has a clever built-in feature that quietly solves this problem in a way most drivers don't even realize exists. When you shift into reverse, the passenger side mirror can automatically tilt downward, giving you a clear view of the curb and the rear wheel. This makes it much easier to judge distance and position with precision, helping you park confidently without second-guessing or risking damage. And the best part? Once you shift out of reverse, the mirror smoothly returns to its original position as if nothing happened. In many models, this feature can be activated or adjusted through the vehicle settings, which is why so many owners never discover it. But once you start using it, it feels like a professional parking assist built right into your car. Subtle, intelligent, and incredibly useful in everyday situations. It's another example of how Volkswagen focuses on real-world driving challenges and solves them in the simplest, smartest way possible. Feature number 6, the hidden service mode for windshield wipers. Most drivers don't think twice about their windshield wipers until it's time to replace them or clean the windshield properly. That's when you realize something frustrating. The wipers don't lift easily because they're tucked under the hood. But Volkswagen has already thought about this problem and built in a hidden solution called service mode. With a simple sequence, usually turning the ignition on and then off, followed by tapping the wiper stalk, the wipers automatically move into a vertical position on the windshield. This gives you full access to lift them safely, replace the blades, or clean the glass without forcing anything or risking damage to the mechanism. What makes this feature especially valuable is that it protects both the wiper arms and the hood edge. Without using this mode, many people try to pull the wipers up manually, which can lead to scratches or even bent components over time. Volkswagen's approach eliminates that risk completely by guiding the system into the correct position. It's a perfect example of a feature you'll probably never notice until the exact moment you need it. And when you do, it feels incredibly thoughtful, like the car was designed with even the smallest maintenance details in mind. Feature number 5, the comfort turn signal you've been using without noticing. Every time you slightly tap your turn signal, your Volkswagen might be doing more than you think. Instead of a single blink, the indicator flashes 3 times automatically, and most drivers never stop to wonder why. This is called the comfort turn signal, and it's designed specifically for quick lane changes. Instead of holding the stalk down the entire time, A light tap is enough to signal your movement clearly to other drivers, making the process smoother and more controlled. What's even more interesting is that in many Volkswagen models, the number of flashes can actually be adjusted through the vehicle's settings. Some allow you to increase it from 3 to 5 blinks depending on your preference. It's a small customization feature that adds a surprising level of control to something so simple. It's subtle, it's effortless, and it's something you've probably used hundreds of times without ever thinking about it. But once you realize it's there by design, it becomes another reminder of how Volkswagen refines even the smallest driving details. Feature number 4, the brake disc drying system you never feel. Driving in the rain doesn't just reduce visibility, it also affects how your brakes perform. Water can build up on the brake discs, creating a thin layer that slightly delays braking response. But Volkswagen has engineered a hidden solution that most drivers will never notice, because it works completely in the background. In certain conditions, when your windshield wipers are active, the car can automatically bring the brake pads closer to the discs at intervals, lightly touching them just enough to wipe away moisture without actually slowing the car down. This keeps the braking system dry and ready, so when you press the brake pedal, you get immediate response instead of that split-second delay. The incredible part is that this happens silently and invisibly. You don't feel it, you don't hear it, and there's no indication on the dashboard. Yet, it's constantly improving your safety when the roads are wet. It's one of those deeply engineered features that shows how Volkswagen thinks beyond the obvious, solving problems before you even realize they exist, and making sure your car is always prepared for the conditions around you. Feature number 3, the one-touch sunroof control you didn't notice. Most drivers assume the sunroof needs to be held the entire time to open or close, but in many Volkswagen models, a single press is all it takes. With just one touch, the sunroof smoothly slides open or shuts completely on its own, allowing you to adjust it without taking your focus off the road. What makes this feature even better is how refined it feels. The movement is controlled, quiet, and precise. No jerks, no interruptions, just a smooth operation that fits perfectly into everyday driving. It's a small convenience, but once you get used to it, going back to holding the button feels outdated. Another subtle detail that shows how Volkswagen simplifies even the smallest interactions with your car. Feature number 2, the Follow Me Home headlights that light your way. Parking your car at night is one thing, but walking away in the dark is another. That's where Volkswagen's Follow Me Home lighting quietly makes a difference. After you turn off the engine, you can activate this feature by pulling the headlight stalk, and your headlights will stay on for a short period, even after you've locked the car. This gives you enough light to safely walk to your door, your garage, or through a dark parking area without rushing or fumbling in the dark. In many models, you can even adjust how long the lights stay on through the settings. It's a simple feature, but incredibly practical, especially in low-light environments. You might not use it every day, but when you do, it feels like your car is looking out for you even after you've stepped away. Feature number 1, the hidden climate control that keeps working after you leave. Most drivers think climate control only works when the engine is running, but in many Volkswagen models, there's a lesser-known function that can keep air circulating even after you've turned the car off. Often referred to as residual heat or auxiliary ventilation, this feature allows the system to continue pushing warm or fresh air into the cabin for a short period after shutdown. On colder days, it uses leftover engine heat to keep the interior warm while you step away briefly. On warmer days, it can help reduce that trapped heat feeling, making the car more comfortable when you return. What makes this feature especially interesting is how quietly it operates. There's no dramatic indication, no obvious switch in many cases, which is why so many owners never realize it exists. Yet, it's designed for real-life situations, like running a quick errand or waiting in the car without restarting the engine. It's a perfect example of Volkswagen's thoughtful engineering. Small, subtle, and incredibly practical once you discover it. And it's exactly the kind of hidden detail that makes you realize your car is doing more for you than you ever noticed. And now that you've seen these hidden Volkswagen features, the real question is, how many of them did you actually know before watching this? Because chances are, your car is capable of even more than you realize. And these are just the features hiding in plain sight. If you found even one of these surprising, make sure to hit subscribe, because this channel is all about uncovering the smart engineering and hidden details that most Volkswagen owners never discover. And trust me, you haven't seen everything yet.